Hey everyone, Mr. Review here, reviewing the JBL Flip 5 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. If you're in the market for a reliable portable Bluetooth speaker with excellent sound quality, the JBL Flip 5 is an outstanding choice, and here's why. The JBL Flip 5 delivers premium sound quality with its stereo audio output mode. Despite its compact size, it boasts a maximum output power of 20 watts, ensuring clear, powerful sound. Whether you're into heavy bass tracks or prefer something with a bit more treble, the Flip 5 handles it all exceptionally well. It's a lightweight speaker. The Flip 5 is perfect for on-the-go use. Its sleek design allows you to fit easily into a backpack or even a large pocket, making it an ideal companion for any adventure. The waterproof rating means you can take this speaker just about anywhere without worrying about water damage. Whether you're poolside, at the beach or caught in the rain, the Flip 5 can handle it. This rugged design ensures it remains a top performer even in less than ideal conditions. We're going to take a closer look at the speaker in a moment and listen to the sound quality. One of the standout features is the impressive 12-hour playtime. You can enjoy your favourite tunes all day long without needing to recharge, which is perfect for day trips, beach outings or extended parties. Pairing the Flip 5 with your device is seamless. The addition of PartyBoost allows you to pair two JBL PartyBoost compatible speakers for true stereo sound, or link multiple speakers for an even bigger audio experience. The speaker also includes a 3.5 stereo connector, providing flexibility in how you connect your devices. The Flip 5 is designed for versatility. You can stand it up vertically or lay it down horizontally, depending on your space and sound distribution needs. It's available in 11 vibrant colours, allowing you to choose one that best matches your style. Just before we look at the speaker a bit more closely, the verdict on the JBL Flip 5 is that it's a superb portable Bluetooth speaker offering premium sound quality, impressive durability and long battery life. We've owned this for 4 years now and it's still going strong. It's been to the beach, it's been to the pool, it's been thrown around. It's got super impressive durability, long battery life. Its waterproof design and versatile connectivity options make it an excellent choice for anyone who loves music on the go. Simply turn it on at the power. That noise was it connecting to my device, and here's the sound quality. To connect it to new devices, just hold the Bluetooth button and we can increase and decrease the volume here very easily. So if you're looking for a durable, long-lasting, excellent sound Bluetooth speaker, this is the choice for you.